Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to capture writing using your mobile and the JIBB Whiteboard Notebook. Now to begin, you've got to go into your control panel and make sure that you've got your JIBB Whiteboard Notebook selected as well as mobile. Next, you want to have JIBB Connect open on your phone, and then you can turn the camera preview on. Now this is the most important step, is to set up my mobile. I'm just using a regular old coffee mug as a phone stand because I don't have one. But it works perfectly because I'm able to stand my phone completely upright and fit the entire writing surface inside the camera preview. Now, I'm ready to click start, and I'm going to keep my hands out of the way. Now, JIBB is going to be detecting the surface, and any moment now it's going to tell me to start writing, and I can see that it's drawn a frame around my mini whiteboard here. So I'm just going to draw a graph like this. And as you can see, my content is displaying inside my JIBB workspace, and it's as simple as that. If you'd like to learn how to use JIBB with other surfaces and inputs, please go to our help page and watch our tutorial videos there. And thank you for watching.